The Audison AP BMW S8-4 subwoofer is expertly designed to deliver powerful and crisp low frequencies, enhancing the overall sound experience in BMW vehicles. Its neodymium magnet offers greater power and control, ensuring that the depth of installation remains unaltered while providing exceptional audio performance. This subwoofer supports a direct replacement for OEM speakers under the front seats, making installation seamless and maximizing the factory acoustic load. With a continuous power handling of 150 watts and a peak of 300 watts, it provides robust sound output suitable for a variety of audio configurations. The inclusion of two 5mm polyurethane gaskets allows for perfect fitting and vibration decoupling, enhancing sound clarity and reducing distortion. Its minimal installation depth and fiberglass-reinforced ABS plastic basket ensure compatibility with a wide range of BMW models, offering versatility and ease of use.